Hello, welcome to Inspire Art Linkings. Welcome to today's tutorial in which we are going to learn how to draw a letter S in drawing. Welcome to today's tutorial where creativity knows no bound. Today we will delve into the graceful curves and elegant lines of the letter S. Begin with a gentle arc, smoothly flowing from the top left to the bottom right. Now loop back around with a mirrored arc. Start from the bottom left and curving upward. Connect the two arcs with a gentle curve, ensuring symmetry and balance. And there you have it, a beautifully drawn letter S filled with grace and elegance. Remember, art is all about expression, so feel free to add your own flair and style. Remember, mastering the art of alphabet drawing opens endless possibilities for creativity and expressions. So, whether you are a sketching letter for a project or simply owning your skills, embrace each stroke as a sketch toward artistic mastery. Thanks for joining us at Inspire Art Linkings. Until next time, keep creating and let your imagination soar. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also press the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching this video.